If you're looking for a classic Southern dessert, this sweet potato pie is it. Smooth, creamy, and just like the ones made for Sunday dinner or holiday tables. I'll show you how to make it. Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, and I'm glad you're here. My Carolina roots run deep from farm life to church suppers. I cook bold and simple, just like the Southern women before me. Now I'm sharing it from the beautiful South Carolina coast. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat. You'll start with 4 to 5 sweet potatoes. Give them a good rinse and place them in a large pot. You'll cover these with water and boil them until they are fork tender. Once they're done, you'll cool them off. The peelings should slide right off of them, and then mash them up. In a large mixing bowl, you will add 3 cups of mashed sweet potatoes, 2 eggs, 2/3 cup of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 stick of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. If you like cinnamon, you can add cinnamon here, but we don't do that. Now, you know how sweet potatoes are often stringy? This is how you're going to prevent that. You can use an immersion blender or a regular blender to mix the ingredients until the batter is very smooth. Just be patient with this process. Takes a little bit. There you go. Do you see how smooth this is? Now grab you some frozen pie crust. If you like a more crispy crust, you might want to pre-bake these for about 8 minutes before adding the batter, but I prefer mine just like this, right out of the freezer. You'll add the batter to the pie crust. This recipe should make 2 pies with a little batter left over, but you can always bake that leftover batter in a small ramekin if you would like, or just use a deep dish pie crust. And this is the end product. You'll bake it at 350 degrees. Make sure you preheat your oven. It will take about an hour. Keep a check on these using an oven mitt. You'll know they're done when the filling no longer jiggles. This is the way my mama made sweet potato pie, and this is how we love them. Smooth, sweet, and creamy. Enjoy!